Do you want to know how you can log into your Escort Mutual Fund account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to Tech Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Escort Mutual Fund account. Go ahead and open Chrome or Edge browser on your PC, go to the Google search bar and then search for Escort Mutual Fund login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen. It will take you to this page. You can see the login option on the top right hand corner. You can see this is the official page for Escort Mutual Fund. You can find the description of it and you can see the analyze data of it, so you can go ahead and view it and compare it with other mutual funds as well. Now to log in, go ahead and click login and click to login to MF. It will lead you to this page where you can log in using your partner or client ID. If you're a client, go ahead and write down your mobile number, your client code, your password, and then click submit. This way you can log into your Escort Mutual Fund account. If in case you have forgotten your password, this is the link for you to recover your password. I hope this video about how you can log into your Escort Mutual Fund account was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.